Hi, I'm Trisha. Welcome back to DoMyOwn.com. Today we're sharing some fall pest control tips aimed at ensuring your home remains in prime condition and shielded from unwelcome intruders. So, let's jump right in. To start off, conducting a comprehensive evaluation of your home for potential entry points is important. These entry points can serve as gateways for pests, so pay close attention to areas such as windows, doors, utility access points, and any gaps or cracks in the siding. Make sure to identify and seal these access points to fortify your defenses against pests. When cooler weather brings more insects indoors, glue trap boards offer a great chemical-free option to monitor insect activity and capture invading pests. With the arrival of fall, stink bugs, box elder bugs, lady beetles, and cluster flies and other overwintering pests often seek warmth and shelter. Regularly inspecting your home allows for timely intervention before they gain access. Make sure to seal entry points to your home like windows and doors. To further discourage overwintering pests that try to make their way into your home, apply a high-quality insecticide spray to the exterior of your home. Strategic use of targeted fly lights can also yield positive results when dealing with cluster flies. Early fall also presents an opportunity to address common concerns with outdoor pests. One of those is white grubs. These pesky creatures can wreak havoc on your lawn. Regular inspection during this time offers a chance to tackle the issue before temperatures drop further. Acting promptly is key, as grubs become larger and harder to control as the next season approaches. Therefore, applying curative treatments in the fall is highly recommended. Tick prevention holds immense significance as well. Remember to wear long sleeves and pants when feasible. And after spending time in densely wooded or brushy areas, thoroughly inspect yourself, your family, and your pets for ticks. Yellow jackets remain notably active in their quest for new food sources, including sweet and protein-rich items. To mitigate their presence, ensure that garbage cans are securely sealed, refrain from leaving food or beverages unattended outdoors, and promptly address and treat any nest on your property. Now, let's delve into additional strategies that can help ensure your home remains pest-free throughout the fall season. While you might have already sealed gaps and cracks with fine mesh or other materials, making your yard and home less appealing to mice from the outside constitutes another viable strategy. A well-maintained yard featuring trimmed bushes, shrubs, and trees discourages mice by reducing available shelter options on your property. If you store pesticides and other chemicals in a garage or shed, consider relocating them to a more temperature-controlled space such as a basement. Fluctuations in temperature can compromise chemicals, diminishing their effectiveness in the upcoming season. Furthermore, the warmth of your home can prompt beetles residing in wood to emerge, attracting other pests like spiders and ants that may be present in a wood pile. To prevent this scenario, only bring in wood that you intend to burn on the same day. In summary, fall is a good time to adopt proactive measures such as sealing entry points, maintaining your surroundings, and being on the lookout and treating for fall outdoor and indoor pests that are seasonally common. Wishing you a pest-free and comfortable fall season. Stay tuned for more expert tips and information right here on DoMyOwn.com. We invite you to visit our website to check out all the products and resources we have on pest control, lawn care, and animal health. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and tell us what you'd like to see more of.